Hey friends and family, thank you for coming to visit here at Her Home Is, where home life is the best life. Now you guys, today as you see where I'm sitting, I am in the living room and we're getting ready to do a needed change. Now you guys, you know your girl likes everything light and airy because here I do intentional living. Especially if you're in that 50 plus club, everything at this stage definitely should be intentional. I'm going to bring you along with me today. We're going to change out the windows, and I do have a sponsorship item to show you from Joy Deco. I have some beautiful curtains, and I'm going to tell you some more about them, and we're going to get them hung. So with that being said, welcome to my house. If you follow the channel at all, you do know that your girl always starts with my windows or the eyes to my space. So I'm gonna change out the curtains and I'm gonna let you see the beauty of these curtains. And you guys, I am still loving more of that luxe look. I do like the thicker drapes and curtains. If you want to see the whole styling, you're gonna have to come back to the next video. But in this video, you guys, we're gonna just get my curtains started. Make sure you do check out Joy Deco. Click that code that I do have in the description. It will save you a few coins, and it doesn't cost you anything to click it, to make my space feel intentional and cozy to me. I'm gonna start with my windows, and if you know your girl, you know your girl. Drop me a comment and let me know where you're watching from. But today we are dressing up the windows. I did order a total of 6 curtains, or 3 sets that is, you guys, from Joy Deco. I'm going to include all of Joy Deco's information down in the description with that discount code that will save you some coins if you're in the business right now to upgrade your space. I'm telling you guys, curtains are the first key to change the look of any space. Now, if you've been following me for a while, you know your girl loves the ray of sunshine. So we're going with yellow. I am still shopping my home to bring in pieces that I love because I want to take you guys along this journey with me. But check out Joy Deco. I'm including everything, and I mean everything. My curtains are custom. I don't have my glasses on, but if I'm not mistaken, you guys, these curtains are 76 wide by 96 in length. And I'm going to include it in. They do customize the curtains for you. And these are still in that family of the velvet, but it's more like a cashmere velvet. I did not want 100% light blocking curtains this time, so I do got a little bit of light filtering. I'm gonna tell you now, to me, when you want a high-end look, you're gonna always have to check out that seam because it makes all of the difference in the world. But you guys, these curtains are beautifully sewn, I would say, with that 1/2 inch, and you do know your girl still loves grommets. This is that brass top. Now, one thing about Joy Deco, you not only get to customize the length, you get to customize your heading as well. So they have like 8 different headings you can choose from. You also can include tie backs as well, and also lining if that's your choice. But I went with more of, like you say, that cashmere like velvet with these curtains. I am going to link them in the description. I'm gonna quit talking. We're gonna hang them. And you do know, if you follow me, I still like my sheer. And I'm gonna take them down, but I'm only taking them down to wash. So I'm gonna pull them down and put these up. We'll be putting Joy Deco's website information down in my description box. And if you do order from Joy Deco, you can also purchase standard width and length curtains, or you can do custom. This look here, you guys, I have a total of 4 sets, which is 8 panels of the spray, and I also have 8 panels of the sheer. And this is truly unique to each individual on how you hang curtains, you guys. But you do know I took mine as far as I can to the ceiling. And I do like, if you see this, I like when my curtains look more this way. I like that full pleated look. But these velvet curtains are super heavy and I need to reinforce. So I'm going to get the corbels to put up so I can use that for the heavier drapes. But in the meantime, I'm going to stick with either 3 sets or 4 sets that I will be putting up. Now's the perfect time for you to check out Joy Deco, because they are offering a back to school promotion right now as well. They give you fast delivery. You can do customization. It's affordable and luxurious as well. They also do offer the Oco-Tex certified material. So their curtains are always designed around the way you live. You can style these curtains for your bedroom, your living room, your office, spa. Literally, these curtains are for every area of your home. And then one of their mottos is looks right, feels right, because they do balance out the portion with the calm textures and details that settle naturally into your space. Now, one thing I do love about Joy Deco, they do have many different types of curtains. They also do rugs, ready-made. You can also buy you a couple curtain swatches as well. So no matter what your decor style and genre is, Joy Deco has something just for you. I love it. Now you guys see the beauty of that. So just imagine when we finish off the space and what it actually looks like. But I'm loving that. I'm not going to add the sheer back in quite yet, but I'm going to change out this side. Make sure you do check out Joy Deco to snag you some beautiful curtains. Even if you don't want the velvet, they got linen, they got sheer, they got they did have a few more faux silk. They got several different types of curtains, so make sure you do check them out. And their material does range from blackout, velvet. They also do custom textured thermal insulated blackout curtains, faux linen, blackout. They also do back tab and rod pocket. They do light filtering curtains and just your pure standard velvet curtains. They do semi-blackout. They do a flax-lined linen. You guys, no matter what your style is, they do have curtains that uses a material that will blend seamlessly and perfectly for what your design style is for your home. So do make sure you check out Joy Deco. And you guys, I will be perfectly honest, I have had curtains from several brands, but every time I get another pair of Joy Deco, they blow my mind. You will not be disappointed. And if you're looking to elevate your space, turn your chaos into some calm, you need some Joy Decos sitting on your windows to bring in that quiet luxury. Also, that intentional living to your space. Make sure you check out Joy Deco. I did include their link down in the description. So elevate your space into a calm, cozy, relaxing retreat, all while still being affordable. Link is in the description. And to you guys, do not forget to check out our other branded channels. That is the Crafted Edit and also Sora Sky Home. The links are included in the description. All right, family. All right. You see that, you guys? When I say beautiful, I literally mean beautiful. They are gorgeous. I cannot wait now to finish the space. Let me know if the curtains look yellow to you or a mustard color with this blue light, but they actually are a yellow. Not a pure sun yellow, but they are yellow. They don't have that mustard look, but either way, you guys, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now you may be thinking, what are we gonna be adding to the rest of the space? Remember this black wall? Stay tuned for the living room decorate with me coming soon, you guys. But this is what we're looking like, and this here I am loving. Once again, check out my partner for this video, which is Joy Deco. Also, I do have a playlist link for partnerships and brands. If you're on the lookout for anything in your home, make sure you do check out that partnered sponsorship playlist link. I'm going to include it in the description, and you will find some amazing things that you can utilize for your home. And to you guys, I'm going to be doing some more revamping with the channel. If you are going for a high-end luxury look while still being very affordable, cozy, and definitely intentional, these are some of the curtains that you need in your space. I do love the coziness, the feel of it. They are light and airy, but they are also a little tad bit moody, because you know your girl does love a little hint of moodiness in the space, because to me it makes it personal. So check out the link in the description, and I'm going to see you guys in the next upcoming video. Make sure you check out Joy Deco, and thank you guys for tuning in to Her Home Is, where home life is the best life.